Kook MSI P65 Creator Rotary Laptop. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. The laptops are amazing. Fast. Sleek. We designed. However, despite thinking we were getting two new ones, one of them appeared to be used. There appeared to be software loaded that wasn't included on the second one. Both were shipped without the latest drivers, and one arrived without the speakers working. Tech support suggested updating the firmware, which we did on both, and that was the end. Both laptops were dead after that. The good news is that Amazon has replacements arriving today. I guess I'll add to this after we receive the new ones. We received the two new ones 2 days ago. So far all is well. There had to be issues with the previous two because applications like Skylim's Aurora HDR would crash. Now all apps run flawlessly. All drivers appear to be up to date this time as well. Amazon gets a A+ for customer service on this. So, a month later. Best laptops we have ever owned. A few things to keep in mind. 1. Make sure you calibrate the battery. When you do, you will find that you will have amazing battery life. I have gone over 8 hours. Battery life is dependent upon what you do. I am a professional photographer, so image processing has a significant impact on battery life. Still, this battery outlasts any laptop I've ever had. 2. Make sure you install the NVIDIA control panel if your laptop doesn't have it installed. The laptop is designed to default to the Intel video board. That will deliver subpar performance. Change the video board to the NVIDIA. Massive performance increase. 3. By default, gaming drivers are installed. Install the NVIDIA Experience, and that will allow you to change the driver to Studio if gaming isn't your primary purpose for this laptop. 4. Windows loads and I am logged in less than 10 seconds. Usually about 8. 5. On my old Surface Pro, it took 30 seconds to process a raw image, a digital negative, of about 50 meg. I shoot medium format. I am now averaging 13 seconds, image. 6. The wireless is fast and I love having a gigabit Ethernet adapter. 7. Love the design. Clean. Elegant. Attention to detail, for example the feet underneath that promote cooling, are well designed and quite secure. Not likely to fall off as they have on other laptops. Also, a small cloth comes with the laptop. Please it between the keyboard and screen when you close it. This will protect the screen from keyboard prints that can mar the display. It also functions as a screen cleaner. In sum, worth every penny. If you want serious performance, you'll want this laptop. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.